So just to do a full face analysis, you have some transverse creases, meaning forehead lines. Raise your eyebrows for me. And you're young, you're 23, but you have these lines because you raise your eyebrows and you have a very expressive face. So it is both preventative to prevent them from becoming more permanent than they are now, and also to treat the dynamic component so that you still have expression. So you can still be you and communicate emotions, but to soften those lines. In conjunction, if you make an angry face, we're going to treat these because these are eyebrow depressors and they pull the eyebrow down. So we want the eyebrows to elevate. We want to remove the heavy feeling from your forehead. You do have a higher eyelid crease. Oftentimes people will have a crease that's about 10 millimeters to 8 millimeters from the lash line. Because you have lush eyelashes, the weight of those can also pull your eyelid down. And so raise your eyebrows for me. I do think subconsciously you elevate your eyebrows to compensate for the heaviness around your eyelids and lid margin. We go right into the hills where the tissue is sort of wadded up to get you the best results in a uniform dose pattern throughout all of this. In addition, you have a lovely nose. We're going to enhance it with a little filler right at the tip. And because your nasal tip plunges when you animate, give me a smile, and it pulls down, we're going to do a little Botox to these depressor muscles along the septum. And what that does is it prevents the nose from plunging down with animation. Now we're going to do a little dose of Botox to these depressor muscles. And it's just a tiny little dose, about 6 units. You're going to feel a tiny little pinprick. That gives us tip definition, elevates the tip, gives us that slight ski slope, and tilt your head. Yeah, wonderful. And we have you lean back. We're going to strengthen the columella, or called the medial crus of the lower laterals, and this bit of support raises the tip because it strengthens it. That is absolutely lovely.